The next item we're going to discuss is how to take a bulk water sample out of a shower. And so again, we're using a 500 ml sample bottle. We're going to fill in our customer name, our sample ID number, which is this is the fourth sample in this example, our date, and at least your initials of who took the sample. We're going to, again, just like we have to determine in our water management program, do we do first draw sample, do we do a flush, a short flush, or a longer flush? Again, for the sake of this video, we're going to do a roughly 10 second flush. Let the shower run for a minute or 10 seconds. Again, we're going to loosen the cap here and kind of try to make sure that there's no sodium thiosulfate, kind of that powdery mix that's in the bottom here. Make sure it doesn't come out the top. And then keep that off to the side while you take your sample. Try to move it around a little bit. Yep, you're going to get it on your arm and whatnot, but try to fill it up to about the neck of the bottle. And you put the cap back on. Make sure, again, the paper is not captured underneath there. You need to throw that away, that's fine. Secure that on there. Turn that off. And then we're going to set it down while we make sure our paperwork's all fully filled out, okay? So make sure we fill out the location, the building area, your floor, the restroom, that's where we're at, the room we're in, women's restroom. It's a shower. We're taking it from the hot water side. It is a potable water sample. We record the time. And then if there's any parameters that we measured like we did for our faucet, we'd indicate that. And then we indicate the analysis code.